Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to TV Math Hub. This is your study pattern for competitive exams. Here you will find different questions, clear solutions, and the guidance you need to succeed. Subscribing is completely free. It is just your way of appreciating our work and supporting the channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's learn together. Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Math Hub. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. This is your home of mathematics. Hey, did you know that you can easily multiply a two-digit number with 11 and you get your answer in just less than 3 seconds? Hey, if you think this is not possible, watch this session up to the end. So what shall we do? Next, we need to multiply two-digit number by 11 and we get the answer in just less than 3 seconds. Hey, let us do that. We need to multiply 53 with 11 and the answer is 583. We need this answer in just less than 5 seconds. How can we achieve that? Just watch this. So what we shall do is write 5 and 3. Simply get 5, add it with a 3 and get 8. This is your answer. Is it hard? No, this is very easy. Let us try another number. We are multiplying 23 with 11. What is the answer here? Simply write 2 and 3. Then add 2 with a 3. When you add 2 and 3, you get a 5. This is your answer. You will get this actually in less than 1 second. Hey, let us try another number. If you have a number like 33, you are multiplying it with 11. Hey, how do we get the answer so fast like that? Simply write 3 with a 3, add 3 with a 3, get 6. And that will be your answer. Hey, what is the logic behind? Let's go on and try another number. What if you are multiplying 99 with 11? So write 9 with a 9. But when you add 9 with a 9, you will get 18. Don't write this 18 here. Simply write your 8, transfer this 1 to 9. So when you get 9 plus 1, you will get 10. So simply write 10 with this one here. So you have 10 and 89. So that is 1089. And you have your answer. So when you are multiplying a number, 56, you are multiplying it with 11. So simply write your 5, write your 6. But when you add 5 and 6, you will get 11. Don't write 11 here. Write 1, then transfer this one to this value. So when you transfer it to this, you will get a 6. So your answer will become 616. Hey, are you getting the logic? Can you now solve for me 78 times 11 in just less than 3 seconds? Hey, make sure you get your answer as simply write 7 and 8. Then 7 plus 8 will give you 15. Don't write 15 here. Simply write 5, transfer this one here. When you transfer that, get 858. And that will be your answer. Hey, try for me this question here. You want to multiply 67 times 11. Put it in the comment section. Which answer are you getting? Hey, try for me as well. 78. Multiply it with 11. Try 79. Multiply it with 11. Make sure you get the answers in less than 3 seconds. But what is the logic behind all this? The logic is very simple. Let us go through that logic. 1. If you are multiplying 53 with 11, don't simply use a calculator. You don't need to use a calculator to multiply this. The first step you will do is simply add these. Add a 5 with a 3, you will get 8. And after getting 8, what do you do? Place that 8 between 5 and 3. And that will be your answer. Let me hope that everyone is following these steps very keenly. So next we need to look at another one more example. It says you need to multiply 59 with 11 and our expected answer is 649. How do you achieve that? Following our steps. The next step. So what we do is we follow the same step as in the first case. We shall add both digits of the two-digit number. So add 5 with a 9. But unlike in this step, where we simply placed the sum in between the two-digit number, that is 5 and 3, we shall not place 14 in between 5 and 9. When you place 14 in between 5 and 9, you will get a wrong answer. So what do we do? Next, you will carry the 1, this one here, then you will carry the 1 when the result is greater than 9. In other words, you are having 5 and 9. You are having 5 and 9. When you add 5 with a 9, you will get 14. So don't press 14 here. That one will be wrong. So what we do is the 9 will be maintained. Instead of writing 14, you will write a 4. Then you will carry this one into a 5. And you have that as 6. So that is the basic procedures that we follow when we are multiplying two-digit number by 11. You can try another number. You have 95. You are multiplying this by 11. So simply have your 9 and 5. But when you add 9 with a 5, you get 14. So when you get 14, simply write this 5, write this 4, place 1 into the 9. That is carry 1 to 9. Then 9 becomes 10. That is 9 plus 1. And this will be 10. And this will be your answer. So when you multiply 95 by 11, you should be able to get that. So I hope with these procedures, you will be able to multiply any two-digit number by 11. Put in the comment section, what do you get when you multiply 47 with 11? What do you get when you multiply 88 with 11? What do you get when you multiply 72 with 11? Put this in the comment section and tell me how many seconds you are using to simplify these values here. Don't use a calculator. The calculator is not necessary, and you can get the answer in just less than 2 seconds. Try it. You'll put it in the comment section. How many seconds have you used? Hey, if you find this session helpful, don't forget to subscribe to TV Math Hub.